Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The world of high-performance smartwatches is about to experience an exciting new entry with the much-anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. If you're passionate about premium rugged smartwatches, cutting-edge fitness tracking, and extreme durability, this upcoming release promises to be a game-changer. Packed with innovative features, significant design refinements, and enhanced battery capabilities, the Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be one of the biggest launches in the fitness tech industry. Today, we'll break down every aspect of this highly anticipated smartwatch, from its rumored size variations and display technology to its advanced GPS accuracy, health tracking features, and connectivity improvements. A refined design with multiple size variants. Garmin has always been synonymous with robust and durable smartwatches, and the Fenix lineup has continuously delivered high-quality designs built to withstand even the harshest environments. Leaks and industry reports indicate that Garmin is expanding its approach with the Fenix 8 Pro by introducing multiple size variants. Instead of a one-size-fits-all model, it's rumored that Garmin will offer both a 47mm and 51mm version, ensuring that users with different wrist sizes can enjoy a more comfortable fit. This adjustment addresses concerns from previous models, where some users found the watches either too bulky or too small. With a more tailored size selection, the Fenix 8 Pro aims to maintain its signature rugged look and feel while offering enhanced comfort and usability. Garmin's commitment to military-grade durability remains strong, with expectations that the Fenix 8 Pro will feature a titanium bezel, sapphire glass, and up to 100 meters of water resistance. Whether you're trekking through extreme environments, training for an ultramarathon, or looking for a premium smartwatch that can handle any adventure, the Fenix 8 Pro is designed to withstand it all. The introduction of micro-LED display. A major leap forward. One of the biggest speculated upgrades for the Fenix 8 Pro is the shift to a micro-LED display, a feature that could revolutionize the smartwatch's visibility and power efficiency. Unlike the traditional transflective memory and pixel displays used in previous Fenix models, a micro-LED screen would provide significantly better contrast, deeper blacks, and enhanced brightness levels. This would make the watch much easier to read in direct sunlight, an essential feature for outdoor enthusiasts. Another key advantage of micro-LED technology is its power efficiency. Since it consumes less energy while delivering superior clarity, users can expect extended battery life without sacrificing display quality. Whether you're navigating trails, tracking workouts, or simply checking notifications, the new display technology could be a major selling point for the Fenix 8 Pro. Unmatched GPS accuracy with multi-band support. Garmin has consistently led the market in GPS technology, and the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to take things even further with multi-band GPS support. This feature is particularly crucial for athletes and adventurers who rely on precise location tracking in challenging environments. Traditional GPS systems often struggle in dense forests, mountainous terrain, or urban areas with high-rise buildings due to signal interference. Multi-band GPS, however, significantly enhances satellite connectivity and tracking precision, ensuring users get the most accurate distance, elevation, and route mapping data available. This technology will be a game-changer for runners, cyclists, hikers, and triathletes, providing more reliable performance metrics and faster satellite connections for improved training and navigation. Solar charging and enhanced battery life. Garmin has been steadily improving its solar charging technology, and the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to take it to the next level. Reports suggest that Garmin will introduce a more efficient solar panel integration, allowing users to extend battery life even further. The previous Fenix 7 Solar and Fenix 7X Solar models allowed users to harness sunlight to increase battery longevity, and the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to refine this system for even better energy conversion efficiency. This means adventurers, endurance athletes, and outdoor explorers could potentially enjoy weeks of battery life on a single charge, making it one of the best options for off-the-grid expeditions. Additionally, advanced power-saving modes and an optimized processor are expected to contribute to the smartwatch's impressive battery performance. Whether you're on a long-distance hike, cycling through remote locations, or competing in ultra-endurance events, the Fenix 8 Pro's battery improvements will ensure it stays powered when you need it most. Advanced health and fitness tracking. Garmin is well known for its comprehensive health and fitness tracking, and the Fenix 8 Pro is set to take these capabilities to the next level. Expect to see an enhanced heart rate sensor offering even more accurate readings, especially during high-intensity workouts. Other rumored health tracking features include upgraded sleep tracking, more precise sleep stage monitoring, helping users optimize their rest and recovery. VO2 max estimation, a crucial metric for endurance athletes to measure cardiovascular fitness improvements. Blood oxygen saturation monitoring, providing insights into overall respiratory health. Real-time recovery insights, helping athletes plan training schedules for optimal performance and reduced injury risk. One of the most exciting rumors is the possible addition of ECG functionality, which would allow users to monitor their heart health more closely. If included, this feature would put the Fenix 8 Pro in direct competition with premium health-focused smartwatches like the Apple Watch Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Smart connectivity for everyday use. While the Fenix 8 Pro is primarily designed for fitness and outdoor tracking, Garmin is expected to introduce several smart features to enhance everyday usability. These may include offline music storage, support for Spotify, Deezer, and Amazon Music, allowing users to play music without needing a phone. Smart notifications, receive calls, messages, and app alerts directly on the watch. Garmin Pay, contactless payment support, making transactions seamless while on the go. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring seamless data syncing with Garmin Connect and other fitness apps. These features position the Fenix 8 Pro as a powerful smartwatch for both fitness tracking and daily convenience. Expected pricing and release date. Garmin has not officially announced the Fenix 8 Pro yet, but based on their historical release cycles, industry insiders suggest a late 2024 launch. Given Garmin's 2-year update pattern, this timeline seems likely. As for pricing, the Fenix 7 series started at around $699 for the base model, with the Solar and Sapphire versions reaching $899 or more. If the Fenix 8 Pro introduces a micro-LED display and ECG tracking, we could see a slight price increase, possibly ranging from $749 to $999 depending on the model variant.